So this is one of my all-time favorite Iyengar shoulder support techniques. The longer the strap you have, the slightly easier, but just do your best with what you have. First off, the trick is to bring the strap underneath the shoulders, just making sure that it's even to both sides. So it's quite high up underneath the armpits. Then we're going to come to quite literally flick the straps over the shoulders, just holding the one side down so it stays up on top of the shoulder, so we're staying connected there, okay, and then reaching for the other side, okay. I like to hold at the back with one hand, makes it a little bit easier just in case you need to adjust up, especially if the band is a little bit shorter. Then you're going to come to feel the strap cross behind the back, okay? So quite high up, you're making that crossing shape and then allowing the hands to relax down and the shoulders to relax. If you have a longer strap, that obviously gives you a little bit more support to have the hands completely extended, but even with this setup, with the shorter strap, I can already feel the relief. I can already feel that correction into my posture, the shoulders dropping down, and just creating some room, much needed room, across the collarbones. So this is a great technique. You can do it from a seated posture, you could do it standing in Tadasana. You could even do it at the end of a practice, especially if you've done really strong overhead arm movements or possibly even binding, back bends, and allowing the body to recognize its own equilibrium in that shoulder joint. And then simply coming out, just releasing, and maybe a few rolls into the shoulders.